Okay guys, so out here working on midnight today. It's a pretty nice day, waiting on parts to do other things, so figured I'd take care of this. You can see it's a little different. I have took off all the blue on the wrap there. Wisconsin winter was really hard on this wrap stuff, so I had to do some fixing and stuff like that to it. It was looking pretty ragged actually, but yeah, all the blue was kind of falling off. That roll I had was pretty old, so I don't know if it was that or just the winters are so bad here that. Anyway, I've got it pretty much straightened out and cleaned off. This side's in the shade, so a little harder to see, but I'm going to start with the other side because the sun's got it dried off. But so I'm going to pretty much do what I did before with the blue, only I have some new stuff. I got some of the nicer wrap, and we'll go in there and I'll show you what I picked up. Okay guys, so this is what I've got. I don't have a whole lot of each because it is just those little triangles and shapes that I'm filling in. I don't need a whole lot, but I've got some vivid stuff, which is supposed to be the higher, nice quality stuff. I've got a roll of this blue. They're calling it metallic blue, which I believe is about the same blue I had on there. But again, this is the better stuff. The stuff I got was really cheap, actually the cheapest I could find. So, and then I got this stuff which I think I'm going to use. I thought it was really neat. It's actually color changing. You can see it goes from a green to a purple to a blue, and whichever direction you look at it, it changes color. So I thought that would be kind of neat. See what that does. I'm gonna go with this. I think. Thought I was gonna maybe do this and just kind of do it, retouch it up or whatever, but I think I'm gonna go with this and give this a try. See what it looks like. You know, with this kind of job, you really can't go wrong. There's, you know, it's your own interpretation of what you like. So I'm gonna give this a shot. And another thing with this kind of design is, if you don't like it, you just pull it off and redo it. So this does take a little bit of time. I forgot even what I paid for these rolls, guys. I'll have to link it. I'll link all these on the description in the comments so you guys can go check it out. But I've actually had these a while because I was wanting to kind of play around with it. And when after this winter, when it started looking kind of bad and the blue was kind of peeling off, I thought, good time to give another color a try, or another company too. I want to see how this holds up. See if this holds up a little better than the cheaper stuff. The cheaper stuff isn't doing bad, but you know, you get what you pay for, guys. That's what I've usually found. Sometimes there's some exceptions to that, but usually you get what you pay for. Anyway, I'm going to start cutting this up and start putting it on there. Again, I'm going to do just like I did before. There's going to be, you know, they're going to be smaller pieces. I'm going to stick mostly with triangles, but I'm going to throw in a few other shapes in there too. So I'm going to get to cutting. We're going to get to putting her on there, and we'll see how she looks. Well guys, first impressions here of this stuff, just trying to unroll it, is this feels feels way thicker than the stuff I was using. You know, just kind of my first impressions here. Okay, so all I'm doing here is cutting these shapes, and I just kind of look at the area I have to work with. I'm not going too big with these shapes, and just trimming it, guys, to a shape that I think will complement the other shapes that I've been doing. And it's really nothing fancy, nothing hard about it. It's just going with what I feel is gonna look good. I think I got enough to work with. I'll see what I can do with it. Well, there we go, guys. Got her done. Pretty happy with that. It's a bit different of a look. Not quite as bold as the bright blue was. A little more subtle. But as you move, it changes. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not, but I can't hardly see nothing out of the viewfinder. It's dirty and the sun's got me blinded, so I'm not exactly sure what you guys are seeing, but hopefully you get an idea. But anyway, guys, I guess I'll post some pictures here. Pictures are probably going to be better than this video. And maybe some driving shots. But